this is a very exciting video for me for a couple of reasons. Number one, I was gifted a present and it's amazing and I have to share it with you, and that is Charisse did I'm not sure if it was a sponsorship or an affiliation with a company called Bisous. It's essentially just, it's dirty, I'm sorry because I just used it, but it's essentially just a makeup removing cloth, and it's microfiber, but it's a very plush microfiber. And I'll admit, when I was watching her video, I was like, you know what, good for you, girl, good, you know, partnering with companies or affiliating with companies. But to me, I always thought makeup removers were makeup removers. I have enough microfiber cloths that I don't need this. A lot of you are aware that after I did my 18 swatches for the Controversy palette, it took me a little while to get my eyes to a comfortable spot. They're still not fully healed, and then lo and behold, this video happened because it came in the mail today and I couldn't wait, which has 9 more shades that I just eye swatched. And I used this. And I'm not going to say my eyes don't hurt, but I'm going to say this has to be the most gentle thing I've used to get my eye makeup off. So after 4 shades, I had a little irritation in the corner of my eye, which is always the first to go. And by the 9th shade, I have a little irritation in the inner corner of my eye. And then stupidly enough, I piled on glitter, which is always a shit show to get off. So, but I wanted to say, absolutely love this. She does have a affiliate code, discount code. I'm not sure what she gets out of it, but anyways, I got this from her and I wanted to share it with you because I love it. So if you are interested in something, I will link that down below so you can support her. If you'd like, you don't have to, but it's there. I was surprised by it and it helped. So that's thing number one. Second thing before we get into the eye swatching videos, actually that's Charisse right there. Everybody say hi. She's got a really cute makeup look in this video. It's like purple and gold and kind of pink. It is her November Kiss Me lipstick review, so go watch that. Now, second thing, with this order, I bought myself a birthday present and I got this in there, and I also got a second one. I was told these were sold out everywhere, so when I saw they were still available, I was like, you know what, I've never done this before. I might as well do it now. So I have 2 and I wanted to gift one to one of you, but I've never done a giveaway before and I don't know, I wanted to get some feedback from you guys. So I would like to know, first things first, is there anything about these eye swatching videos that you would find more helpful? And then the second thing I want to know, what shade in here are you most intimidated by, or least likely to play with if you did get this palette? Those are the 2 things I want to know, and if you can answer both of those down below. And you know what, if you wouldn't change anything about the eye swatching video, that's perfectly fine. Just know feedback helps me make them better. So let me know down below your feedback, and then which shade are you least likely to play with, because then I think I might try and play with that shade a little bit more to show you some fun ways to use it and hopefully make it less intimidating. Yeah, so that is the giveaway. I'm super excited. I don't want this to go on forever because I know these are hot items and you probably want to get it sooner rather than later. So let's say Friday's Fragrance Friday video, maybe I'll announce it then. So like in a week's time roughly. So yeah, let me know down below, and I can't wait to send this off to one of you. Don't forget to go show Charisse some love, and her coupon code will be listed down below if you want to go check out Bisous. That's it. Now let's get into swatching. Bye guys.